This person came up to this door and proceeded to put a deep scratch right on the front of it. He doesn't even care that there's a Ring doorbell next to him or a video camera above him. He proceeds to scratch the door and leaves. Really bizarre, not to mention a total a-hole move. Why? And what the hell? Stolen porch light. Almost 1 a.m. and this man steals homeowner's porch light. Doesn't look like he tried the door or went to any other house, homeowners said. Be aware. Does anyone in the area know this woman? She was caught on camera looking into 2 homes in early hours of morning. She is seen looking through the front door windows around 12:20 a.m. A second camera and a second clip of this same woman. Doorknob wiggler. He's checking people's doors. Keep them doors locked. Porch pirate. Look out for this guy. He was trying to hide from the camera 007 style the entire time.
Off my porch and leave that stuff on the ground.
I thought this was an empty porch, ma'am.
Get off my porch and leave all of that.
After he was caught, he claimed he was just helping. Yeah, right. Way to bust that chooch and send him packing empty-handed. We salute you. Hateful person destroying property. Owners asked, why would someone just come up and take our son's graduation sign and throw it on the ground? Apparently he has maybe one hater, or perhaps she just wanted the stakes holding the sign. Who really knows why people do what they do these days, let alone the things they steal? In this clip we have a video of a stranger who decided it was a good idea to jump this fence into this shop lot. Homeowners said the lights were on, the bay door was open, and he found out real quick that we have Great Danes. If you see him, apparently he always wears the same jacket and tries to get in people's houses. The cops say he's special needs. Regardless, that does not make it okay. We just wanted all in the area to be vigilant and aware of this man. Let's take a look. He most certainly doesn't want any part of these dogs. He decides to hightail it out of there. Probably a great decision before these dogs are let loose to take a part of his ass. Probably the best decision this chooch has made all day. Porch pirate. Another one caught in action red-handed. Look out for him in Carver. Last seen on West Clay Street.
Get off my porch. Put that shit back. Thank you. Put it back. Yeah, thank you.
Keep an eye on your packages. This woman steals this AC unit off this porch at 5:29 a.m. Homeowner said the AC unit had mole in it. We think she meant to say mold. Well, enjoy your new air conditioner while you pollute your lungs with mold. This might be karma at its worst.
No. Are you done?
Two cute porch pirates out and about at night stealing packages. Keep those notifications on and keep an eye on your packages. Around 3 a.m. this individual stole a hidden Echo Plus that wasn't in plain sight. It's not even worth $10 because its old homeowners said. Regardless if it's $10 or zero. Real question is, how did this stranger know where it was? Keep your ship inside.
We'll be right there.
Suspicious activity in this one. Homeowner said they are not sure why these strangers are knocking and checking my door. Be aware and keep your doors locked. Let's take a look at some malicious intent and share your thoughts in the comments.
Hey, Jay. Hey, how many phone out the back seat?
Items and shoes stolen in this one. This freak actually smells the shoes. Talk about making us lose our appetite. You should already know what we are going to say next. Yes, keep an eye on your shoes. Destruction of business property. Let's watch as she loses her shit for a moment for whatever reason.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
However, we only see destruction of this woman's pride for whatever reason. Business owner said this girl came out of nowhere and started banging in our window. I hope there is no damage done. We will be filing a police report if there is damage. Strange man on this porch during a thunderstorm. Not sure if he is homeless or just trying to wait out this storm or what. Maybe some mental disability, as we do hear him talking to himself, perhaps drugs. Who knows? Regardless, let's take a look together. Give us a like and share your thoughts if you like thunderstorms or any thoughts on this clip.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
You call the ambulance up. I'm out in the rain, walking the mountains, call the ambulance. Call the ambulance one time. You have those boats, all wet, super wet, call them. No. Okay. Got two times out here. I can't sit down and look. I can't sit down and wait for the stop ring. Yeah, sit down somewhere and wait for the stop ring.
Jesus Christ. Call this man a police officer or something to take him to a shelter. I know he is a stranger and this is weird activity upon your porch. Help this man out, some things are help worthy. But what the hell do we know? We know one thing. Even though we are vigilant, we still have a heart. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.